Hello, you guys. So we are fin to put the windows in. We're gonna slide them in. We've been prepping them for 2 days, and we are ready to get this done, and so things can proceed. And I love my windows. The black exterior is just beautiful. Look at that. There'll be more. I love it. Oh, I see. Just a little bit.
A little bit at the bottom.
Yeah.
That's where I can just tap it in. But it'll go in.
You want me to pull it this way?
You want to... Well, no. I know it'll go in. I just need the rubber mallet out of your bin.
Okay. Well, I got one in my car.
Yeah. I don't want a mallet.
A little wet.
Yeah, it's the side to side that's a little bit tight, not the top to bottom. But I know what it is. That little bit of buildup that is hitting the screw just a pinch right there.
See.
But
Yeah, you said after.
yeah, put the polyurethane on this first. So, if this thing is too long, see, I always put my hand on the back side.
I saw it go in.
It's good enough. It doesn't have to be like all the way like in there, you know? It just has to hold it this away. But I got it set on number 2, so it won't be so damn, it's just gonna be a little slower.
And it was definitely slower. A lot of trial and error and figuring out how to keep the gun on the screw for me, because that's what you will see, how much I was struggling with. And also trying not to hit the frame so much. And that was that was difficult, but eventually we did get it. And you have to remember it's 10 windows. Yay. You always want more of certain things until you have to actually like screw them in and put and install them and everything, but yeah, it was a process. But overall, like installing the windows or like sliding them in was super easy, super simple, and making sure we're waterproof and everything, and it all fit in each opening, because it was a potential of it being too tight, so thankfully we had none of that. And so yeah, I'm just really happy with my windows. I love them so much. And I want to give a shout out to Greyhawk Remodeling. I had a great price for them, and it turned out perfect. So this was a cool part of the project on installing the windows and like getting a different feel inside the house. So thank you for watching. This was a lot of learning involved, and I just can't wait for my doors, which that will be next episode. So I will see you guys very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.